We're still not at the end of the pandemic, and the whole feeling of uncertainty, I think, adds another layer of stress and anxiety to most of us.
As it is, this is already an unprecedented stressor, and so it's good to to learn how we can better cope with it.
I often see people who come to me complaining of pain or aches. And these can be not due to something wrong with your body, but actually the fact that your body is telling you that you are stressed.
Stress becomes a problem when our functioning on various domains in our lives are affected. It then falls into the mental health or mental disorder category, which is what we want to prevent. So I have this patient that I've been seeing for a while. So we find that when she gets into those vicious cycle modes where the thoughts are getting quite negative. So over time we've just worked out a system. When you notice that you are starting to feel very awful, so it's the really signs and symptoms, and she has to catch herself. So she's gotten very good at doing over the years. That's why I think mindfulness is very important here, because our thoughts are just thoughts. They may not be accurately reflective of the reality. So the practice of mindfulness, to distance yourself from the thoughts and observe that they are just thoughts, I think is very important.
At the end of this workshop, our hope for you is that you will be able to at least take away one or two very practical, simple points on how to recover and build resilience. It's really the ability to bounce forward, to learn from what's happening to you and move into a different sphere where the next time you have another event, a stressor, you have greater capacity to deal with it. Hi, I'm Dr. Faith Chia.
I'm Dr. Huang Wanping.
We will be conducting a workshop on the art of becoming resilient at the Singapore Mindfulness Conference on 22nd of August. And we hope to see you there.